How's it, everybody? Back with another hotel review video. This time, staying at Paris. Let's go. Alright, so I'm over here at the Paris Hotel. Park at the same parking structure as you're going to the Horseshoe. You walk this nice walkway like you're in Paris. A lot of places to eat, places to shop, and then you get to the casino, to the front desk. And I'm about to head up to the room right now. Smells nice in here. Alright, so I made it up to the room, and I must say, it's a different kind of vibe over here, but I like it. The first thing you come in here, you take notice is the smell. I don't know what kind of smell it is, but it smells real nice. I don't know if it smells like Paris or something, I don't know, but it makes the room smells really nice when you pull up in. Shout out to housekeeping. It looks very clean when I first came in, and they must have some kind of scent, whatever they leave, so when the guests come in, they be smelling nice, which is a first. So right here is the entertainment area. You got your 45, 46-inch screen TV. You get 3 drawers. On 2 sides, you got 2 closets. Both have mirrors. One side has an iron board and some hangers to hang your clothes. And the right side has also hangers, a safe, and your fridge. And right here is the workstation. You got your light, you got your bucket if you want to grab some ice. Does that rhyme again? But yeah, it's the area you can get your work done if you got any things to do and stuff. In the corner here, there's your lamp. And right here, there's a chair where you can just sit down and relax with a table counter on the side. And right here is the king size bed. You got your 2 side drawers, both got lamps and both got 3 drawers each. Then got the king size bed over here. Looks really comfy, and they have 5 pillows. Other places got at least 4 the most, but I think this has the most so far. 5. And here you got like a little chair and with a little framework of wordings. And right here you got the bathroom, kind of like this red trim around the mirror, marble counters. You got your toilet right here. You have a walk-in shower, and you have a tub, which you know I'm gonna make use of that. And as usual, for all Caesars properties, if you don't got any soap or shampoo, they got you. So you got shampoo, conditioner, and for your ashy skin, they got body lotion and a bar of soap. Right now, I'm gonna go and check out the view. See how my view looks like. Oh, not bad. You got the other side of Paris. You got Formula 1 down there. You got Top Golf right there. Hilton Grand. There's the Bach Theater, the Miracle Mall, Planet Hollywood, and the green building. That's MGM Grand. So since I was in the area early, I decided to check in early, which is a $25 fee, which is fine because I'm kind of tired. Had a long day, and I just want to relax for a little bit. Probably take a quick nap. Then I'm gonna go out and walk around the site and see what Paris has to offer. that came fast. Good morning. I just woke up maybe about a couple of hours ago, and I got me some breakfast to eat, which is the All-American plate. It's a room service delivery where you can find a barcode on the counter. If you scan that barcode with your phone, then it'll pop up to show what you want to get to eat delivered to your room. So while I'm eating this breakfast, I'm gonna go over the pros and cons about the Paris Hotel Casino. Okay, so I'll start with the pros of this hotel. And the pros are, number one, the location. Like every other Caesar property, it's all on the strip, all lined up. So if you want to go to Planet Hollywood, you can go to Planet Hollywood, you go to the Horseshoe, jump on the monorail to go to the Link, the Flamingo, and whatnot. And another thing is they got a whole variety of places to eat. Like you got your Gordon Ramsay Steakhouse, Vin de Pump et Paris, the Eiffel Tower restaurant, which I didn't get the chance to go because you got just casual and I didn't bring my casual clothes. Maybe the next time when I stay here at a higher upgrade, then I'll definitely eat at the Paris. Brioche by Guy Savoy, Mon Ami Gabi French restaurant, JJ's Boulangerie, the Beer Park, Alexia's, La Crêperie, Cafe Americano, Cafe Bella Madeleine, Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay. That's what I have for dinner. The Bedford by Martha Stewart, and Noble Paris. They have a whole bunch of variety of places to eat that is within your price range, or if you have no limit. But the higher end ones, you're gonna have to dress casual. You have to dress real nice. So next time when I come back, I'll definitely eat at those spots. Another thing I like is the surroundings. When you're outside, you see the Eiffel Tower, which is pretty cool, but it's a replica, it's not the real thing. Then you have the air balloon looking Paris, that's pretty cool. And the front entrance is all lit up, so you can't really miss it. And another thing I like about this room is housekeeping and the fresh air. So when you enter the room, you're greeted with this fresh smell. The place is really clean, so shout outs to the housekeeping, they really do a great job cleaning. Now for the cons of this place, to be honest, I can't really think of anything. If anything close to it, maybe the casino area. What I mean by that is you might be confused of going to a certain entrance or exit. There's at least 3 parts of the exit or entries. It's kind of confusing. But of course the main one by the valet was with all the doors. And they have one outside by the Eiffel Tower and another one by the sports bookies. So there's actually 3 exits. Well, maybe 4 if you count going to the Horseshoe. And maybe another one is the walking distance. When you're coming from the parking structure, going down the escalator, on your right side would be the Horseshoe, and on the left side would be the Paris. And it's kind of a long walk to get to the front desk. But if you're looking at all the scenery and all the places to eat, shops, it'll take your mind off thinking that you're walking far, which you are walking far, but when you're looking at all this scenery, it's really nice and it'll take your mind off of it. And will I recommend you stay at this hotel? Yes. 2 thumbs up. Housekeeper was very nice. They say hi when I pass by them and stuff. And they also have room service if you're too lazy to step outside, or if you want to go outside, get something to eat, they can deliver it to you. And my view is okay. I kind of wish I had the strip, but then I also had other hotels and then the mountains on the east side of Henderson. Alright, so this wraps up my hotel review video for the Paris Hotel Casino. I hope this really helps you out. This is a definitely good place to stay. And like I said, the location, the rooms, it's all good. So if you enjoy this content that I'm giving to you and the information that I'm providing to you, please like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Comment if you want to comment about anything, I will respond to it. And follow all my social media platforms on the MannyFMB. It'll be all over here. I think it should be over here, I hope. And follow my Instagram page called Looking for Grinds. It's going to be all the places that I eat and that I recommend that I know you would like. I'm gonna eat this breakfast before it gets cold. So once again, this is Manny. Until next time, aloha. Donnie.